Hello, it's Sean with Sterling Fleet. Just wanted to give you an overview of a recently completed forklift maintenance van package that we completed for a good customer of ours. Looking inside the back here, we've got Tuflocs mounted in our standard mounting location for easy operation at a nice height. Side door as well, we'll show you in a minute. Opening the back doors here, we do have a very good view of the entire overview of the build. So we've got shelving on left and right, specifically designed to suit the customer's requirements. So in forklift repair, oftentimes we've got a platform to support an air compressor, whether it's a wheelbarrow compressor or otherwise. So on the right hand side, we've got a bin unit cut down in length to accommodate some other equipment they're putting in the vehicle. We do have our bin system inside here as well. We've got our packed bins, nicely suited to fit exactly inside the shelving that we've designed. On the left hand side, we've got a 4-level unit with a custom mounted Milwaukee cabinet up on the top left here. This is typically a floor mounted unit, but the customer requested this specifically to make use of the space above their compressor. So that was really neat to see in the shop and getting worked on, and we're able to pull that off. Got access to standard Milwaukee parts. Up and just behind the Milwaukee unit, you can see an inverter system that is designed to charge batteries for the client's impact tools. Down on the bottom at the front, you can see the battery support system for the inverter. Up the top on the ceiling, we've got a Flettner vent to keep ventilation inside. Obviously, it can be a bit of a smelly industry if you've got oil and fumes of things, etc. So that'll vent the air to be outside. You can close it in the winter, open it in the summer. You do have 3 extra aftermarket light strips, 18 inches long inside there, to give you some more light in the darker seasons and any night work. The floor that the customer has chosen for this package is actually our CNC pre-cut 3/4 inch ply floor. So we aren't seeing this as too common these days, but there are some options you can pick from, and this is one of them, which is working well for the client. On the sidewalls, you've got your wall mounting kit, very rugged, and will put up with a lot of abuse. It does have a white ABS service on it, so it's nice and washable and keeps the whole atmosphere bright inside here. So in the side door, we've got our Tufloc, again mounted at a suitable height for easy operation. And inside, we have our Sterling designed Partition, which is a 3.5 inch setback, straight aluminum safety partition. Suited for this vehicle. We do have application for low, mid, and high roof, and other applications for all cargo vans. In the front, we do have a safety kit mounted on the partition, as well as a cab box to keep you organized. So this package is designed specifically for this lift truck technician to help him get more done and be more efficient on the job, so he can get home to be with his family earlier in the day and spend more quality time. So if you're interested in getting more done for your team or your technicians, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you design the build to suit you. 604-210-3941. Thank you very much.